everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to securely log into a Eurobank account using your browser, whether you are on a computer or mobile. So let's get started. First, open your browser, navigate to your search engine and go to www.eurobank.gr. On the top right corner of the homepage, tap the e-banking button. It may say e-banking for individuals or my Eurobank depending on your account type. Let's reject these cookies. Scroll down. Let's change the language for now. Tap on this language icon and select English. Okay, here you go. So here you will be redirected to a secure login form. Enter your username, then your password, and simply tap login. For security, Eurobank will send you a one-time password OTP via SMS. Enter the OTP when prompted and tap confirm. Once verified, you will land on your e-banking dashboard where you can check account balances, make payments, view transactions, and manage cards. If you cannot remember your password or you have locked your credentials, simply tap forgotten/locked your credentials and follow the prompts to retrieve it. And yes, that's it. That's how you log into your Eurobank account through a browser. If this video helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.